Hey there everyone. Today we're going to talk about an important project that could potentially provide a lot of jobs for the people of Haiti. The project is called Village Oasis, and it's located in the northeastern part of the country. Now, the Haitian government has been blocking this project for some time, but we're urging them to unblock it. Once completed, Village Oasis will create a lot of jobs for the people of Haiti, and we believe it's a crucial step in improving their lives. So let's come together and support this project. Share this message with your friends and family, and let's work towards a better future for the people of Haiti. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more updates on this and other important causes.